Hi folks, I'm Mark with Artisan Restoration, and today I'm doing a chicken coop inspection for a lady who's, I guess her grandparents lived here and worked this farm and probably built these buildings that I'm looking at. Let's take a look at those. So this building is made with the clay tile block, which didn't last very long as far as the construction material is concerned. They do have some, most of them got horizontal cores in the block, like right here, which is the opposite of what we have today. We have vertical cores, so we can put reinforcing and stuff in them. These cornerstones have vertical cores, so they could be reinforced, but it's too bad they didn't use them in the whole darn building. So anyhow, we've got there's an inner, there's two widths of them. There's two of them side by side, so it makes an 8-inch thick wall, and each one of them is about 6 inches tall. But we got a serious settlement problem in the middle of this wall here, which has resulted in quite a bit of failure from this crack on down to the left corner, and the roof is designed about as just strong enough to hold up the snow. The inside here, you can see a little bit more of what I'm talking about for the framing. They're all 2x6 rafters, and the peak is offset, so they got a little higher wall over here to put windows in, which is what you do for a chicken coop. This is a chicken coop, by the way. Anyhow, this wall is heaved pretty bad because it's all cut full of holes. There's holes down in the bottom to let the chickens in and out. There's windows up on top, and the only full wall is about 3 feet on each end. So over here you can see those are 2x6 rafters, and they rest on this single 2x6, which to me doesn't even qualify as a beam. But anyhow, it's a very economically designed building, shall we say. So maybe the walls are actually thicker than 8 inches. Looking at it over here from the inside, it looks like it's almost a foot thick. But anyway, the plan is to try and bring this thing back to life before it gets any worse. And that'll mean getting a cement floor in here and tearing down this wall and putting a wood wall in its place, probably. And then we can talk about windows and so forth. Anyhow, the other building on this property is this old granary over here, which I'll do. Oh, my dog just chased up a cat and found the electric fence at the same time. So he's my gun-shy hunting dog. He's hunting cats today. Anyhow, I guess that's it for this building. I'll go take a look at the granary next.